Ladies and gentlemen, what's better than hanging out with your mom? Just hanging out with me. What do I have here is by Sparkling Ice, non alcoholic, right? Always got to throw that in there. This is their zero sugar. Let me look at the bottle. Peach Nectarine. Never had it. Now, I do like things that are citrus, super fruity. I do like peaches. I do like nectarines. I also like them in my beverages. So, will this be good? And I know that's subjective, but I'm telling you now, if it's trash, it's definitely trash. If it's fire, it's gonna be fire. There is no in between. There's no in betweens whatsoever. It's no. So let's dive right on in. Okay, it's got a nice peach fragrance right off the bat. Yeah, that's a very pleasant peach. No nectarine. I'm gonna just for to be simple in this review, we're gonna make sure when we talk about nectarine, we're gonna also make sure sometimes you may hear me say orange, right? Because nectarines, oranges, and things like that, they're pretty similar, and people do know what orange is, and nectarines is like an orange, but it's not. So I just want to kind of throw that in there a little bit. So if you're trying to figure out what's a nectarine, I got you. All right. So yeah, peach. That's a peach. I'm gonna keep doing this until you just be like, no, no, I'm just kidding. Oh, oh, that combination is fire. So here it comes. That's peach and orange, baby. It's nectarine, but it's a great combination. Wow, I like it. It's got some of like whole fruit essence, right? It's got all the way down to the center. It's got close to the skin. It's got all those things, and dare I say, it's got some fuzz to it, not fizz, some fuzz, like whole peach, man. The peach is like the main star, and then the nectarine is secondary, but it complements. It's like a good accessory. And the other crazy part about this is because the two flavors work very well, I am not worried about the sugar-free aspect. I don't even, I'm not even thinking of it. I'm not saying, oh, I'm having a sugar-free item. I don't feel shortchanged in the essence of my sparkling water. Even though it's a rich color, as you can see, it's lovely. This is probably by far my favorite so far of all the things I've tried from Sparkling Ice. And again, citrus, it's got some nice citrus to it. Um, but that peach, oh, that peach, baby. Oh, that peach.